I don't never come to y'all put together. I always look a goddamn mess when I hop on this camera. Shit crazy. But you still watching it though, so thanks, sis. Or dude. Alright, y'all, so look, I owe y'all an update on this hair from Kendras Boutique and my closure from Ericka. I ordered back on, well, I don't know when I ordered, but I know that I got my hair, my closure came first, then I got my hair on August 3rd, and then I like made a wig like ASAP, and yeah, so I had it since then, like, and it's finna be October 17th, my birthday, but not for real though. I ordered the hair, this is Brazilian straight, natural straight, or whatever. I want to say so far, like, okay, I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm mad about. I am mad about these goddamn flyaways, like, no cap, like, the length of the bundle don't carry through all the way. So, like, you know what the fuck a flyaway is, like, bitch, it's a lot of them, like a lot. So, okay, I'm gonna insert this clip of where I straightened my hair, and then I went back and looked at it, and it was still frizzy. So I was like, it's not giving me that sleek look, and maybe that's my fault because, you know, I did 4 bundles, like. And I know kind of like nowadays, like, having a full head really ain't the thing. It's kind of like, you know, bitches got the kind of thinner, sleeker hair. So maybe I should have went for 3 bundles because I kind of did want that look. But still though, you feel me? So it's like, I'm not achieving the look that I wanted to achieve. Like, I love the hair, but it's like, maybe I don't know, child. Like, like, cause I use my little sleek stick stuff, whatever. Show y'all what that is right here. But yeah, I use that, and like, it's cool and all, but it made my hair type greasy. But I don't know, you win some, you lose some. Holding curl, it don't really hold a curl too well. It's straight hair. It's not what I really got it for, to be honest. But I dyed it. It took the dye well. Like, I like Kendra's hair. Like, it's good quality hair. It ain't on no AliExpress shit. I'm not knocking AliExpress. That's what got my ball rolling. I'm just speaking on longevity of the hair. I know anytime I order me some hair for AliExpress, like in the past when I was younger and shit, like that, their hair will only last like a couple months if you're lucky. You feel me? Like, Kendra Boutique hair, I know it's gonna last. Like, I got hair from years ago. You feel me? So, like, oh, the Ericka closure. I wasn't too crazy about the closure. That's the only thing. Not for no damn $100. Was like, it wasn't giving me 100. Why the fuck did closures didn't used to cost this much? I don't think. Okay, this is where I fucked up at. Okay, my plucking. Okay, so watching Wigaholics, I see the little T method that they do now with the comb. I want to try that, but when I did this, I was going for, like, before I seen that style, I was going for, like, you know how when you get the frontal, you pluck the shit out the frontal or whatever to try to make it look like natural, but whatever. Tangling. No tangling, bitch. Well, cap. My closure got a little nappy a few times. But, like, as far as, like, bundles go, no. Like, shedding, I mean, barely, bitch. Like, when I did on the sewing machine, I doubled my wefts. And did I cut? I think I cut a few. Like, once I got closer to the top of shit. Like, I cut a few. But you know, the back stitching. It's like kind of like sealing, you know, the wefts or whatever. So it's like, yeah, I don't really get that much shedding. But even you look at the older wig that I showed y'all before, she not bald and she's old. And she wasn't put together well at all. So I'm telling y'all, it's good hair. Yeah. I would definitely purchase it again. Like, I like her. I like her a lot. My little closure wig. Hold on. Let me show you. See, I don't even got no brush on hand. Just unprepared. Like, fancy. See, that's what. See, it looks all like sleek and shit now. See, I think I'm being difficult, which is very much like me, especially right now in my life, in this pregnancy. I'm very like, and picky and shit. So yeah, it probably is good. I'm probably just tripping, like I am 99.9% of the time. What else do people talk about in reviews? I done watched a million and one of these things. I still don't know. But okay, so boom. Pay for it with my own money. Honest opinion. Honest as fuck. Like, pew. Cause I know, like, when you be watching the YouTubers, fuck YouTube hair reviews nowadays. Cause most of these people, I'm about to say hoes, most of these folks, like, sponsored, you feel me? I know they be saying, oh, it's a real review, but at the end of the day, you can cut a check for that review. So if they send you some bad hair, they can send you some badder, and then you get a good review. Like, okay, but yeah, nah, real review, real person, bought it with my real money. Is this even like a good review? I don't know, y'all. Would I spend my money? Like, is it worth how much money I spent on it? How much did I spend? Like $420 something on the bundles, and then and then 100 on the closure. Like, would I recommend it? Yeah. Yeah. Duh. I mean, it's good hair, I think. Pew. Is it my birthday yet? Hold on. This will be my everyday wig. Not even everyday, cause I don't even wear it every day. This is why I told y'all I love closures, because you could pop that hole on, pop it off. So simple.